Every time in your paper one, there is one or two acronyms that are asked from the computer section. That's the ICT unit. So topics like RAM, ROM, URL, intranet, internet, HTTP, what is VPN? Now cybersecurity, cyber attacks make VPN very, very important in news. Also use of AI, IoT. So those are some of the important topics, the acronyms, the terminologies that you must know for the computer science section. Besides this, the basics that you must remember. So this includes what is email, apranet, internet, intranet, talking about the various AI tools, the AIs which now can generate images, the various companies and their respective AI models being released are some of the very important questions. Then the digital initiatives in higher education, highly important. Now this topic is a intermingling topic from higher education as well as ICT, so makes it super important. So Swayam Prabha, the various channels, under which channel which thing is broadcasted. So that list we have already covered in the separate lecture on Swayam Prabha. Highly important, must to memorize. Now Neptel, EPG Pathshala, virtual labs. So these are some of the important topics that you must cover. Then coming on to governance, ICT and governance has been a new subset which is really, really important. So data security, under that we talk about the various cloud services. Also we talk about the citizen centric governance system with the smart governance, following on the digital initiatives, the infrastructure and the various applications that have been released by the government. So some of the important topics under the ICT includes the abbreviations, terminologies, the higher education initiatives, governance, and of course cybersecurity. Cybersecurity we have covered in one of the separate lectures, highly important, so must remember. Thanks for joining. Those were some of the important topics from ICT section. We'll be covering more important topics in expected series. Stay tuned. Thank you.